let's talk about two very useful verbs which can be confusing: make and do. In this video, I'm going to show you when to use do, when to use make, some general rules, and in the second part, I'm going to show you some fixed expressions with do and some fixed expressions with make. This will help you be sure that you are using these two words correctly. Both do and make are general purpose verbs that have many meanings. Let's start with do. The forms of do are do, did, and done. This is an irregular verb. We use do when we're talking about work or something that we think of as work. For example, I have a lot of work to do. Have you done the homework yet? He didn't do any work on that project. Can you do the dishes? Then can you do the laundry? Can you just do all of the housework today, please? We also use do for indefinite activities when we're talking about an activity in very general terms, and we are not being specific about what we're talking about. I did something stupid yesterday. What did you do? Hey, what'd you do last weekend? Is your brother ever gonna do anything with his life? Don't just stand there, do something. What do you want to do this weekend? I don't know. What do you want to do? In contrast, we use make when we're thinking about building, creating, or constructing something. For example, I made a cake for the birthday. Let's make a plan. My sister made a model airplane. So we use do for work and indefinite activities, and we use make when we think of the activity like building, creating, or constructing something. These are the general rules, but there are many fixed expressions with do and fixed expressions with make. Let's look at some of the most useful and most important of these expressions. We use do with business. Do business. The company is doing a lot of business in China. Do your best. My parents always told me to do my best in school. Do a favor. Do something nice for someone. Hey, can you do me a favor? Can you lend me some money? Do your hair, your makeup, your nails. Where's Samantha? She's in the bathroom. She's doing her hair. Then she's gonna do her makeup. You might be waiting a while. And now let's look at some common expressions with make. Make a mistake. Oh no, I made a big mistake. That's okay. Everyone makes mistakes. Make a bed. Make your bed. Make the bed. It's important to make your bed every morning. Make a suggestion. Can I make a suggestion? I think you should paint your kitchen green. Make a decision. It's important to read all of the information carefully before you make a decision. Make a call. Excuse me, I need to make a call. I'll be back in just a moment. Make money. Everybody wants to make money. He is making a lot of money at his new job. Make a profit. The business is excellent and it's making a huge profit. Make progress. She is making a lot of progress in her English class. Make sense. That makes sense to me. I understand completely. So thanks for watching this video. I hope it answered some of your questions on make and do. You might want to check out one of our other videos or visit our website for one of our grammar, pronunciation, or vocabulary classes. Thanks for watching.